Everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day series. Today's word is KÖÇMÄK. KÖÇMÄK. KÖÇMÄK can mean to move house, to relocate, to migrate. Let's see some phrases. To move from a house, to relocate for work, to migrate south. Let's see what they sound like in Azerbaijani. Evdən KÖÇMÄK, to move from a house. Ev, house. Evdən, from a house. Üçün köçmek. Üçün technically means for. İş is work. For work. To relocate for work. Cənuba KÖÇMÄK. Cənub, south. Cənuba, to south. Let's use them in some sentences. Bu yay biz başqa evə köçmək istəyirik. This summer, we want to move to another house. This summer, bu yay. Biz, us basically, we, başqa evə, to another house, köçmək istəyirik. We want to move. Remember, those words hələlik, ürək, where k sound at the end were replaced with y sound to soften the impact. Same applies here, köçmək. Let's see another sentence. O, iş üçün köçmək qərarına gəldi. He or she, o, iş üçün, for work, köçmək qərarına gəldi, decided to relocate. That was today's word. You don't have to use it in 100% Azerbaijani sentence like those. It can be something like this. Köçmək is not an easy thing. It's got so many angles to consider, right? Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Cheers.